Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to authenticate a domain in Brevo. First, log into your Brevo account. Once you're in, click on your profile or name at the top right corner. Then, go to the Senders, Domains, and Dedicated IPs section. Here, under the Domains tab, you'll see the option to authenticate your domain, so click on that. Then, hit Continue to proceed. Now, to authenticate your domain, you'll need to add the provided DNS record to your domain host. So first, go ahead and update your email hosting provider inside Brevo. Then, choose your provider from the list and click Save. Once that's done, it's time to update the DNS settings from where your domain is managed. In my case, I'm using Squarespace. So go to your domain provider's site and log in. Click on your profile at the top right corner, then go to Domains. From there, select the domain that's connected to your Brevo account. Once you're inside the DNS settings, it's time to start adding the DNS records. Go back to Brevo and you'll see a list of the records that needs to be added. First, copy the TXT record value provided by Brevo. On your provider's DNS settings, add a new TXT record. Set the host to then paste the value from Brevo. Click Save once done. Next, copy the CNAME record from Brevo. Go back to Squarespace, add a new CNAME record, then paste the host and alias data from Brevo, and save your changes. Repeat the same process for the remaining CNAME and TXT records shown in Brevo. Once you've added all the records, go back to Brevo and scroll down to the bottom of the page. Click Authenticate the email domain. You might see a pop-up saying the domain isn't authenticated yet, but don't worry, it can take up to 48 hours for the authentication to complete. And that's it. You've now set up and authenticated your domain in Brevo. Once verified, your emails will appear more professional and are less likely to go to spam. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.